In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating a common strapping technique that we use to provide medial or inside support to the knee for those that may be coming back from an MCL strain or potentially a lateral meniscus injury.
So here we're going to start with some anchors. So what we want to do, our calf anchor is going to be at the widest part of our calf, and then our thigh anchor just above, probably a hand width above the kneecap. Now in this position, I'm getting my athlete to tense their quad so that the anchor strips aren't too tight. Knee slightly bent so that we can prevent hyperextension of the knee with our MCL strap, and that heel elevated slightly. So we want them to completely tense in that position. Now from there, the MCL is through the inside of the knee as shown. So we want to reinforce that with some cross strips in the kind of X position, as well as I like to just do two straight over your MCL so that we're giving support in different angles that's required in sport. So depending on the athlete, depending on the size of the leg, and depending on the width of your tape, usually do about 2 to 3 in each direction. So you can see here I'm crossing over, I'm alternating. That's important to provide a bit more support and strength of the tape, and I'm going nowhere near that kneecap so I don't alter the tracking of it as they run and change of direction. So we're making sure we're moving around, getting a good fan of tape along that medial side of the knee, providing lots of good support there, and you can see it just finish off with 2 just straight over the middle. For a big leg, I might do 3 in each direction. If you wanted to provide more support, you could add thick overwrap around there, just going over exactly the same strips that you've just provided, then finishing it off with some anchors, getting them to tense again, okay, so it's not too tight, and making sure that those strips that you just provided aren't going to come off as well. And there you go.